Casement window installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a service that offers homeowners the opportunity to enhance their homes with energy-efficient casement windows. These casement windows West Columbia are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Energy-efficient windows in West Columbia are a popular choice for those looking to upgrade their homes. Custom casement windows in West Columbia, South Carolina, allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style preferences. Whether you prefer vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wooden casement windows, there are options available to suit every taste and budget. Custom windows in West Columbia, South Carolina, are crafted to meet the specific needs of each homeowner. Casement window replacement in West Columbia, South Carolina, is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular maintenance and timely replacements can extend the lifespan of your windows, ensuring they continue to operate smoothly. Window replacement in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a service that addresses issues such as broken casement window locks, damaged casement window hinges, and worn-out casement window parts. Affordable casement windows West Columbia are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. These windows offer excellent value for money, providing durability and energy efficiency at a competitive price. Affordable windows in West Columbia are an excellent investment for any homeowner. Double-glazed casement windows in West Columbia, South Carolina, are a popular choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, providing superior thermal performance. Double-glazed windows in West Columbia are ideal for improving energy efficiency and comfort. Casement window styles in West Columbia, South Carolina, offer a wide range of design options to suit any architectural style. From traditional to contemporary, there are casement window designs available to complement any home. Window styles in West Columbia, South Carolina, provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose the perfect look for their property. Casement window hardware in West Columbia, South Carolina, includes essential components such as casement window screens, casement window locks, and casement window hinges. These parts are crucial for the proper functioning and security of your windows. Window hardware in West Columbia ensures that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Casement window replacement in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a service that allows homeowners to upgrade their existing windows with new, energy-efficient models. This process can significantly improve the appearance and performance of your home. Window replacement in West Columbia, South Carolina, is an excellent way to enhance curb appeal and increase property value. Casement windows West Columbia sizes are available in a variety of dimensions to fit any opening. Whether you need standard or custom sizes, there are options to accommodate your specific requirements. Window sizes in West Columbia, South Carolina, ensure a perfect fit for every installation.